Hello friends, on this video suppose your some camera features is missing and you want some camera features, or your camera it's not working. You are facing a problem on camera, then how you can solve your problem? You can restore also. If you want to restore, then friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, here you have to move on camera. Here's the camera. After you tap on camera, from here you're going to find many icons, but friends, you're in photo or video, doesn't matter, but just tap on this three line. Then after that, click on this setting. After tap on setting, from here you have to scroll down. Click on here restore default. Okay, just tap on restore default and tap on restore default. Okay, when you tap on restore default, your camera will be solved. Okay, your camera problem will be solved, or any of the missing of the features will be shown. Okay, and friends, here I'm going to show you some camera features under the Realme phone. Just tap on shooting method. After that, from here, whenever you show your palm like this as shown here, your camera will capture photo, but in the front camera only it will set. You can click photo. Okay, here's the tap to capture. Whenever you tap on it, here the tap to capture will be activated. Okay, so you can use this some tricks. Okay, shortcut tricks to capture photos. If you are from far away, you want to capture, just show your palm like this and it will capture photos successfully by just showing like this. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.